Now that our love is gone, what do we do? My name is Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation. And you should look into the Marriage Foundation. You should subscribe to this channel so you could learn about marriage and yourself and what it's all about in a positive way, because this whole idea of love being gone is so negative and pessimistic. Look, we live in two worlds. One is a material world, the one we're familiar with, where we have the bank accounts, the mortgage, the car payments, taking care of the children, cooking, cleaning, blah, 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 etc. It's the material existence. And it will suck you in to where there is no thought left for that which is more important, more vital, and outweighs all of material existence. What am I talking about? I'm talking about love. And you're saying it's gone. How could that be? Don't you realize, and I'm not being religious, have you ever experienced love? You say it's gone. When did you experience it? Did you experience it on an ongoing basis? No, you didn't. You had glimmers of it because we're not taught. It's not your fault. We're not taught about love. We don't realize growing up that we are love itself, meaning we're souls. We are souls. We have a body, we reside in the body, and we have a mind, but we are not the body. If you cut off part of your body, you still exist, right? Your mind, you've heard of people whose minds are gone, they still exist. Because that part of you that is real, that is permanent, is the soul. And that soul is comprised of one great, humongous thing, which is love. You've heard of these people who meditate, right? Why do they meditate? They meditate because, and I'm one of those people, by the way. We meditate, because when you still the body, you hold it perfectly still, and I'm not telling you to do this. I'm just explaining to you how you can recognize that you're the soul. If you still the body, don't let it move at all, and you still the mind, which, man, is that hard, what's left is you. That's why people meditate, because that you is love. It's a chip off the old block. It's part of God. Where in all the scripture, every scripture says, God created mankind in his image. Well, what does that mean? It doesn't mean that he looks like us, that he's a person. Is he a man or a woman if he's a person? No, it's a spiritual thing. We are deeply spiritual beings, but we have a body, we have a mind, we're supposed to enjoy ourselves, so you can't lose love. Love is not gone. Now, what has happened? Here's what's happened. You have gotten so engaged in the material stuff. Did you do this? Why are you treating me this way? Why is this going on? And you forgot why you got married in the first place. You got married in order to feed your mind with the love, so that your mind would be tuned into that love, so that you would enjoy that love and the happiness that comes from it till the end of your life. That's what marriage is for. But we don't learn these things, which is why I'm putting out these videos, why we have courses for men and women to help your marriage at the Marriage Foundation, which you could reach at themarriagefoundation.org, and why you should subscribe to this channel so you could learn about marriage and learn about yourself. That love is not gone. It's there. But guess what? What is the most powerful material thing that we are exposed to? Every one of us. It's the sun, isn't it? Humongous. It's 93 million miles away, and it literally creates sustenance for every living thing on this planet. Yet, if you're walking outside and you put up your hand, you can block the sun. with your hand. You can block love with your attitude, with thoughts, negativity, judgments, complaining, etc., etc. And that's what people do. I've got a bone to pick with Western psychology. They talk about things like how to argue. Are you kidding me? You're not supposed to argue when you're married. There's only two of you. I call it the sacred space of marriage. There's just two of you in there. So you're soulmates. Hallmark didn't make up that term. You're soulmates. You're connected at the level of the soul. Your bridge is supposed to be soulful, loving. But if it's not, you become cellmates. Everything is material. Everything's an issue, a problem. How do we deal with this? How do we face that? How do we argue through this? How do we compromise on that? You shouldn't. In a marriage, it's a very safe place to do something you can't do in the world, which is open up your heart. You can't open up your heart in the world. We live in a very bitter and cruel world. Let's be really honest about that. Everyone will take advantage of you. But in your marriage, think of it as a globe. Even give it light. But what happens is you throw in negativity, you argue, you douse the flame, but it can't go out. So what you need to do now, this is why you got to this video. What you have to do now is you have to learn how to control your own mind so that you could push away all the stupid stuff so that you, who is a heart, who is soul, will come out. Now, is this theoretical? No, this is reality. Is it philosophical? Yeah, it's the philosophy of living in joy and happiness. Is it oversimplified? Maybe a little bit, so we can understand it intellectually, but it's real. We've been helping couples and individuals for like 20 years. Thousands of them have been helped. Read the reviews that we have. And then leave your own about this video. Like the video, leave a comment. But take advantage of the Marriage Foundation. If you're having problems in your marriage, besides this, because now you know what to do. Go get the course for men. Get the course for women. Get yourself out of this mindset of the love is gone. It's really a ridiculous thought. I mean, I don't mean to be mean. But when you learn more, you'll realize it's ridiculous. It's not possible. It's like a fish swimming in the water going, I'm thirsty. You are love itself. It's yours. You own it. Blessings to you. Thank you for spending time. And again, like the video, pass it on to others, leave a comment, and come be with us more often. Take care.